Kain tayo mga kaulam po. Magandang hapon ng Biyernes at weekend na naman. Tayo ay kagagaling lang sa trabaho at nagmaluto pagkatapos kagaling. Ari ay gulay na nilagyan ko ng pritong hamor. Hamor sa Arabic, lapu-lapu sa atin. Ngayon, ang asawa ko, nang hinayang sabi niya, bakit daw hindi ko sinabing ganari ang niluto ko? Ang kanyang kakainin ay aring biryani na tira niya kahapon. Kapoy, sige na, ipapalamang ko na sa kanya. Hindi ko nakakainin yung isda. Para sa kanya na lang bukas yun. O, diba? Tapos mga kaulam, meron tayong ito, bumili ako ng pickled na bawang. Pero marunong akong gumawa nito mga kaulam. Kaya lang tinamad akong gumawa. Bumili na lang ako noong isang araw. Kapag kabango! Tingnan ninyo. Yang yung mga nabilog-bilog na maliliit, yan ay, ano bang tawag din? Nakalimutan ko na. Kung anong tawag doon sa maliliit na bilog-bilog.
Kilo.
Kilo. Mag-ulam tayo nito at ito'y masarap. Itong pickled na bawang na ito. Madali lang mga kaulam gumawa nito. Napakadali lang.
What's that?
Which one?
Kilo?
Garlic, no?
No, that is a small with garlic.
Pritong isda tayo, tapos ang ating gulay na huwag ko daw kakainin ang isda, bine, at siya daw kakain bukas. Okay, sige. Sabaw lamang ating
I
kukuhanin.
will put also ilog.
Tsaka sa luyot.
What is name? Ilo.
No, bilog-bilog.
Bilog.
Greet them na.
Assalamu alaikum, because you are talking about ilog this
No.
one. I was busy. السلام عليكم كيف الحال شو الأخبار أنا بليتا nanay kain tayo ano balita sa bigas marami bigas inshallah now is Friday today she have lucky day I can feel she sell too much bigas
Inshallah. Kain tayo, kain.
I find my sesame from the carton. You put it in the carton.
Kain po, Ma'am Mayet, Abante. Kain tayo, Madam. Saluyot. This one is Malakiya.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mulukiya, what is the name? Saluya?
Saluyot sa Arabic ay Malakiya. Ang hamor, ang lapu-lapu ay hamor.
Mulukiya is more famous in Egypt.
Yeah, I know.
Here we don't have not so famous Mulukiya.
Kain. Tapos, ang ating burong bawang. Sarap. Masarap.
Not yet the start. Let me to see. I will try. How is the fish test?
It's yummy.
Huh?
Diba?
Is nice.
What is your plan? Yeah. Your plan is to eat the fish or chicken?
Chicken I never feel bored.
I don't like chicken every day.
Every day. You see, even my voice is changing.
For me, chicken is only two times a month. I cannot eat chicken more than 2 times a month. No way.
You will change your chicken mandi must be
No.
chicken barbecue.
But in my mind, it's still chicken.
Hmm? Put in your mind chicken. No? Chicken pico. Chicken pico.
Bawang na pickled, burong bawang mga kolom. Sobrang sarap talaga. To.
Bawang is. This is from Philippines. You bring it.
No, I bought it there, no?
Bawang is number 1 for the heart. Helping not heart, but is meant the nerve.
Huh?
Nerve.
Spell nerve.
Nerve. N-R-E-V-E. Correct. Yeah?
It's wrong, honey. Yeah.
Starting with the N. Ending with the V. Complete in the middle.
Kain dyan, Elsa, kainin pa. Mampin kaani. Kain po tayong lahat mga kaulam. Masarap ang ating bawang. Nanay, kain po nanay Ninita.
What is name? Her Kahani?
Ha?
Kani? What you say?
Ah,
I thought like Makani.
ano kain?
No, you say Kani, Kani. What is it?
Kain.
Ah,
Kain tayo.
I know.
Mm.
But one person is very. Nanita is.
Yeah, kain tayo, Ma Mercedes. Thank you so much, Estar Morena.
She is busy looking for GR. And GR, she
JR is very busy watching
Oh?
basketball. He's watching basketball today. I
Oh?
think, yeah.
Oh. Watch basketball today. How much?
That is NBA. I think.
NBA?
Mm,
That is in US.
I know.
And Philippines is famous basketball.
Yeah.
First basketball.
Then volleyball.
Soccer is not so famous, yeah?
No.
In football, not so famous. If I am there in the area, we will have soccer football. I will start to teach this
Kain tayong lahat po.
all the kids, small.
Masarap ang ating buko ng kalabasa. Dinibagay ang buko ng kalabasa puti.
Masarap sa manok.
Hindi siguro.
Manok.
Yun na lang ang iyong manok. Akin ang aking isda at gulay.
Masarap sa manok. Quack, 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 quack.
Dumali.
No. Manok is not making quack.
Ay, orange juice na fresh. Yeah.
How is taste?
Pag nagtanong ng how is taste, ibig sabihin gusto niya.
After I finish manok, I will taste how more. You know, slowly come big.
Kain po tayo, Ma'am Abby Badinas. Hi, Mers Villanueva Capiz. Kain tayo, Mers. Virgie de la Cruz and Ma'am Regina Galve. Ako nagprito ng isda. Tapos ako may gulay na saluyot na nilagyan ko ng okra. Sa amin sa Batangas, ang tawag sa saluyot ay pasaw.
What is name?
In Batangas, this saluyot is pasaw.
Wild pasaw?
Wait.
Different name?
Yeah. We called it pasaw. Yeah. Sarap. Mga kaulam, kayo magluto din ng saluyot at ito daw ay sobrang ganda sa katawan.
Saluyot, I don't know for the body, for which side. It's very...
Everything.
Huh?
Tapos sinasabayan ko ng aking pickled garlic. Napakasarap ng buro ng ating bawang. Sarap. Happy birthday, Haja Hajura!
Her birthday?
Yes, Ma'am Emelita Evangelista, hello po. Florida Mercado Reyes, hello po sa inyo diyan. Kain tayo.
How is the fish, this one? She's looking for me.
Ko, siya na nagulunggong sarap din noon. Ma'am Dealers de Los Santos Prudencia, kain po, madam. Oh, malakas daw ang ulam.
Wala?
An, kain na, An. Malakas ang ulan sa Maynilahan eh.
Oh? This time?
Even in the province. Because it's rainy season already. From June, it's rainy season. Honey, eat your hamor, no?
No.
Why you eating this one?
I want to test.
This hamor is for you.
Hamor tomorrow.
Wag na tomorrow, ngayon na.
I will eat that one. Because in my mind, somebody testing another fish. I like to.
They said too much lightning and thunder.
Oh? That is masarap.
What is the taste?
Yeah.
What is the taste of lightning and thunder? Delicious? Kasi dito mga kaulam, pag sa UAE naulan tapos may kulog at kidlat, masayang-masaya kami mag-asawa. Parang ang sarap-sarap matulog. Parang, kasi walang pasok agad eh. Kami mag-asawa, himbing na himbing agad ang tulog namin. Kaya nung sinabi kong kumikidlat dyan ngayon tsaka kumukulog,
We
sabi niya,
don't
that is
have
masarap.
here too much thunder also. Go Iran see.
Oh, in the Philippines, you will run in your room.
It's nice to hear thunder and you will make coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I say for you masarap.
And then you will sleep. And then in the morning, when you woke up, you have lugaw. Or you have sopas.
No, if your pillow is near, can be asleep, can be awake.
Ma'am Vicky Fabian, magandang gabi po. Oh, I know it's too much maulan there. Ingat po kayo, ingat.
Everywhere? Or yeah, only Manila?
Everywhere. Everywhere now.
But it's making cold, no? If it's...
It's good also for the plants, no? For the people, for the plants, I'm happy. If there is rain. But if it's too much, sometimes it's scary also. Bakit ang pritong isda hindi nakakasawa? Ang sinigang nakakasawa. Pero mga kaulam, ang prito, wala sa ating marunong magsawa sa pritong isda, no? Ang pritong isda pwedeng kasama ng gulay, kapartner. Pwedeng pritong isda lang, tapos sausaw sa toyo. Pwedeng pritong isda lang talaga. Ma'am Tina, kain po tayo, Ma'am Jassim.
I didn't read the rule today.
The wife today is very tired.
Oh?
Yeah.
They write something about the wife.
Yeah, when the wife is very tired, in the rule, the husband will clean everything.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wife rule is never be ending news. Every time they write about the wife. Huh?
Yeah.
And they ignore husband. Wife. I read news, no? And notice they put and done something, article. I see all about the wife.
Ah.
Why all about the wife? And they ignore the man.
Because the husband has you don't have hard time.
Hard time?
Yeah.
He's poet like tractor.
What?
He's working the man in the field everywhere. Like bulldozer, you know bulldozer? B-E-O-D-O-Z-E-R. Bulldozer.
Again?
Bulldozer.
Ah.
B-E-O.
B-E-O.
You have bulldozer there in Philippines also?
Of course. What do you think?
No, they have some in our area in Philippines for the mountain and for the rock.
Do we have also there? Ano?
Maybe bulldozer different.
Turnover
Oh,
of command.
you finish all rice,
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
That is when you feel